So I met Alexandra online, and ever since truly committing to the mucus-free lifestyle, everything has shifted. The results have been extraordinary and very tangible. Not only am I experiencing a tremendous amount of vitality and focus and grace on a day-to-day basis, I'm excited to start my day, I'm excited to get out of bed, I'm excited to move my body, which has not always been the case. But in addition to that, the pain in my body has disappeared. I was struggling with chronic upper back pain. It's completely vanished. All the lethargy and the brain fog, all of it is gone. And the quality of both inspirational ideas as well as human connections that I'm magnetizing into my field as a result of really merging my physical vessel, the vibration of my physical vessel, with the vibration of my higher self. That journey has been extraordinary to witness, and I feel like I'm just getting started. I'm just scratching the surface of what's possible here, but on the other side of facing off with the resistance in my system around releasing the old patterns and the old addictions and the old limiting beliefs around what I can and cannot do, or what I can and cannot release, right, from my experience, the things that were not serving me, releasing those and actually laying them to rest and choosing a new way. On the other side of that, there has been so much beauty, so much grace, so much expansion, and I'm just so grateful for Alexandra for being a reference point and being a clear voice amidst the chaos and the confusion of the health and wellness industry, and truly being the embodiment of what it looks like when we bring our divine self into physical form. That's what she is to me, and I'm forever grateful for her appearance in my life, in my experience, and for her guidance on this journey. I cannot recommend it enough.